Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English Lessons. Today we will learn common English words for people, places, and things. Listen, repeat, and practice the sentences with me. Let's begin. Person, person. That person is very kind. People, people. Many people are at the park. Man, man. The man is driving a car. Woman, woman. The woman is reading a book. Child, child. The child is playing outside. Baby, baby. The baby is sleeping. Friend, friend. My friend likes music. Family, family. I love my family. Mother, mother. My mother cooks dinner. Father, father. My father works every day. Parent, parent. Every parent loves their child. Brother, brother. My brother plays soccer. Sister, sister. My sister has a cat. Husband, husband. Her husband is very funny. Wife, wife. His wife works at a school. Teacher, teacher. The teacher writes on the board. Student, student. The student is studying English. Doctor, doctor. The doctor helps sick people. Nurse, nurse. The nurse works at the hospital. Worker, worker. The worker is very busy. Driver, driver. The driver stops at the light. Boss, boss. My boss is friendly. Places, words. Place, place. This place is beautiful. City, city. New York is a big city. Town, town. The town is quiet at night. Country, country. Canada is a large country. Street, street. The street is very busy. Road, road. The road goes to the beach. School, school. The children walk to school. Office, office. She works in an office. Shop, shop. I buy food at the shop. Store, store. The store opens at 9. Supermarket, supermarket. We buy groceries at the supermarket. Restaurant, restaurant. They eat dinner at the restaurant. Cafe, cafe. I drink coffee at the cafe. Hospital, hospital. The hospital is near my house. Bank, bank. He goes to the bank today. Hotel, hotel. We stay at a hotel on vacation. Airport, airport. The airport is very crowded. Station, station. The train arrives at the station. House, house. Their house is blue. Home, home. I like being at home. Room, room. My room is clean. Door, door. Please close the door. Window, window. Open the window, please. Wall, wall. There is a picture on the wall. Floor, floor. The bag is on the floor. Kitchen, kitchen. My mother is in the kitchen. Bathroom, bathroom. The bathroom is upstairs. Bedroom, bedroom. The bedroom has a big bed. Things, words. Table, table. The food is on the table. Chair, chair. Please sit on the chair. Bed, bed. The bed is very comfortable. Sofa. Sofa. The cat is sleeping on the sofa. Phone, phone. My phone is ringing. Computer, computer. He uses the computer every day. TV, TV. We watch TV at night. Book, book. She is reading a book. Pen, pen. I write with a pen. Paper, paper. The paper is on the desk. Bag, bag. My bag is heavy. Box, box. The box is empty. Bottle, bottle. There is water in the bottle. Cup, cup. The tea is in the cup. Glass, glass. The glass is full of juice. Clock, clock. The clock is on the wall. Watch, watch. His watch is expensive. Name, name. What is your name? Number, number. My favorite number is 7. Idea, idea. That is a good idea. Problem, problem. We have a small problem. Question. Question. The student asks a question. Answer. Answer. She knows the answer. Life. Life. Life is beautiful. World, world. People live all around the world. Money, money. I save money every month. Job, job. She loves her job. Work, work. I have a lot of work today. Great job today. You learned many common English words and sentences. Practice these words every day to improve your English. Please like, subscribe, and follow for more easy English lessons. See you in the next video.